Welcome back, Love Nation. This is Nina. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to everybody that has been coming to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I drop my next one. If it ends with us, case with Justin B. and Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds has not gotten even more bizarre. I got another bizarre one for you, as now Colleen Hoover went on her social media and looked all the way, how can I put this delicately, off the reservation. I am going to play a clip or two from her social media, and I am just going to say this: it looks like life is starting to wear on her, as all this drama has been tearing at everybody's, soul at this point, and it seems like she has been going through it. The author of It Ends With Us, Colleen Hoover, literally, I'm just feeling kind of concerned for her at this point. I'm going to play a clip, and again, this is a mess, a hot mess. I can only imagine what in the world she was thinking making this. Personally, I definitely would not have made this video and posted it. Look, tell me how you guys feel. I'm about to share this clip, and like I said, just tell me how you guys feel. Like, share, and comment below, and here we go with this clip, you guys.
A new rock bottom for me, or the best thing that's ever come out of my brain. Look at this. I poured Diet Pepsi into my ice cubes so that I will have the best Diet Pepsi I've ever had in my life. I'll let you know how it goes. So far, it looks pretty disgusting. Here we go. Do you think other people do this? You put water in our water. Do y'all put wine in your wine? I guess you don't drink wine with ice cubes, though. I'll do anything not to drink coffee. It tastes just like every other Diet Pepsi I've ever had. But I guess the kicker is, in 2 hours, when this ice starts to melt, will it be the best thing I've ever had? Probably. It's gonna be a great day. Remember like 5 minutes ago when I ended the last video with "it's gonna be a great day"? Well, then I went into Cohorts, which is my Facebook group, and saw that my boss, Stephanie, put all of my merch on sale for $10 an item. That's like 5 times cheaper than what I paid for each item, which means by the end of the day today, I'm gonna be broke as shit. Thanks, Stephanie. You better be careful, because maybe TMZ was right. Maybe I am firing all my employees and retiring. Well, I can't retire now because now I'm going to be in the hole by 5 p.m. Even if you hate me, you should go buy a piece, because it's a very kind of bad thing. At least I have my Diet Pepsi. It's still going to be a great day because you guys get almost free merch. Congrats.